Hello friends, I am at the beach today and I am with a friend. Do you wanna meet him? Hi guys. What's up? He's a bit shy. A shy guy. Not like me. But I want to introduce him to you. Hey, tell us your name. Hey guys, I'm Harry. I'm 5 years old. And you? Like me, Harry is also 5 years old. We go to the same school. And he is my desk mate. I am Puppy Peter and Puppy Peter loves Puppy Harry. And Puppy Harry loves Puppy Peter. We are best friends. And who is your best friend? Write your best friend's name in the comments. See you!